Oh, hey there. Didn't hear you come in. Just sitting here reading, waiting for you guys to show up. Today, this is an update video. It's been asked for, and I promise I've been listening. But today I'm going to show you what I've been up to with the Bismarck and why it's been so long since I've made any videos on it. I really appreciate you guys commenting. The views are phenomenal, but it's time to move forward. And after the last year, I think we can use something to take our minds off of it. So stay tuned, and I'll show you what's in store. Alright everyone, so this is part of what I've been working on. It's the aft section of the upper deck. The scale decking fit beautifully. It looks beautiful. Zoom in here. You can see all the spotlight. But as you can see, I'm a big fan of the washes made by Games Workshop. You can see kind of in here. Didn't go as planned. So another reason why it's been taking so long is I'm having to correct those issues with my own painting. I've gone back over in these areas here, a little bit here. I'm gonna have to basically repaint all of the ship. When I show the front of the deck, you'll see why I'll need to repaint it. So that's kind of another reason why I haven't, besides the shadowing, you can really see it right there. Like it wouldn't wipe off. I guess I'd let it dry too long. I'm not afraid of painting it, and it'll actually give me a chance to kind of match the color. And you can see kind of a little bit right here. This is the plastic color that the model came in, and then this is the painted color. So I'm just going to update everything. I'm just going to paint it. So this is kind of the most painted side, and then I'll go ahead and flip it around. And you can see up there, it's just a mess, and that's why it's been taking so long. I've been trying to correct all of this. I went back over it in a few areas to see if I could just hit it with water, see if it'd loosen up, see if I could wipe it off. But I'll bring in basically the command area here real quick. So this is what else I've been working on. Get it turned here, you can see it a little better. Again, it suffers from the same, it's kind of hard to see in my light, but there towards the middle under the radar station, you can see where there's a clash of colors, and kind of up here along the command deck and everything. It's just I can't just let that go. If it was just a minor detail, or just if this wasn't a historical ship, I wouldn't be so hard on myself when it came to painting it. But I don't know. So that's another reason. This biggest reason. I haven't shown my progress. Just been dealing with how I was going to repaint it, basically. I do have, so let's scoot this over. I do have the funnel pretty much set up, ready to go. I wasn't satisfied with, I mean, it's great model. But these are clear, and I did allow them to, I put them together so they can pivot. But they're clear, and I knew the backs, like, historically weren't clear, so I repainted those. I did paint silver on the decking there. I got a lot of work to do still, but you can see, and I apologize for the poor camera work here. There, see it a little better. Just the two color variations, and the ship is supposed to be the same color. So the spray paint that I was using, you know, it's Rust-Oleum Ultra Matte, and it just was too watery, and it was a problem that I had with the main ship, the main hull. But I'm just gonna move forward, and it'll be a little more of like modeling painting video. Sorry about the ballast spilled there in the background. My son was out here playing in it. But anyway, I think it'll look better all around if I just take my time, repaint it. I can show you guys progress on the painting. So yeah, so, you know, let me know in the comments. I hope this was a good update video for you. Hope you guys are still around. I remember the last video that I did, I had under 100 subscribers. I've got over 100 now. It's amazing. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. I'm glad you guys, you know, enjoy my channel. I'm trying to get more videos than just kind of video game videos, and this will be the start. So try to paint this up real quick, make it look nice, and then we can go on and get most of the ship put together. So that should, hope that, guys. Alright everyone, so that's the update video. I hope you guys liked it. There is more to come. We're not anywhere close to being done with this beautiful model, but it's going to take a little time. And now, with getting you guys up to speed, the progress can be incremental, and I should have the ability to put more content out for you guys. I'll try to do more of actually building stuff. I know I haven't really done that on this build. There's a few more things. There's a lot of stuff that I got to put still onto the deck. So plenty of content to come. Hope you guys stick around and come with me on this great journey that is the Bismarck. So I'll catch you guys later.